What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create lines in Adobe Photoshop using the line tool. Whether you're creating straight lines, customizing their thickness, or adding color, I guide you through the process step by step. First, open your Photoshop project and make sure you have a blank canvas or an existing document where you want to draw the line. Now go to the left-hand toolbar and select the line tool. If you don't see it right away, click and hold on the shape tool icon, usually a rectangle, to reveal more options, and select Line Tool from the drop-down. Once the Line tool is selected, you can create a simple line by clicking anywhere on your canvas, dragging your cursor and releasing it. This will draw the line between the 2 points. To create a perfectly straight horizontal, vertical or 45-degree line, hold down the Shift key while dragging. This is great for precise alignment and creating clean lines. Now, let's talk about customization. If you want to change the thickness or height of the line, look at the top toolbar where you see the weight option. This controls the pixel thickness of the line. For example, if you increase the weight to 10 pixels, your line will become thicker and more visible. Next, let's add some color. With the line tool still selected, look at the top toolbar again and find the fill option. Click on it to open the color picker, and you can choose any color you want for your line. Let's say you want a yellow line. Just click on yellow, and your line will be filled with that color. If you want a transparent line, you can set the fill color to none. You can also add a stroke around your line by clicking on the stroke option, which is right next to the fill tab. This allows you to add an outline to the line in any color. For example, you can choose a black stroke to outline your yellow line. Or you can set it to none for no stroke at all. And there you have it. By using the line tool, customizing the weight, fill and stroke options, you can create professional and precise designs in Photoshop. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.